Okay. Ini ya sugar ni.
What did you have? Imagine now.
So which market?
Hello beautiful family, how are you doing? Thank you for your love, thank you for your support. So my correalistic people, today another one happened again, and I thought it was, I said no, I have to come and share it with you people. Not quite long, early this month, Balogun market burnt down like it was everywhere. People are saying, oh, the Igbos should come back home. They should come and rest. They should come and do one or two things back home. And the same month as well, I also showed a video where the Igbo traders in Lagos making their way to Enugu to go and acquire a land so that they can transfer their market to Enugu. That is just the plan. This week, we saw a video whereby Ohanaeze Edigbo sent strong warning to those Rastafari in Yoruba land, saying that Igbo people should go. They warned that they say, you guys are playing a drum. You are singing a music that you know that you can't dance to the tune of that music. You should stop, or else. The warning was so strong. All of a sudden, today, the market is on fire. For the second time this month.
Oh God, I've missed 32. This 32 Balogun. This 32 Balogun. Another fire. Another fire. Another fire. Another fire. This another fire. God, have mercy. Everyday fire. God, I beg, have mercy upon us. This 32. 32. Fire service. Where are you? Fire service. Fire service. This 32 on fire.
Happening live at Balogun, number 32 Balogun market. Happening live and direct. Building is burning. Plaza at number 32 Balogun. You can see a lot of people here. And they can see the fire is extra too much. Extra too much. Okay. You can see the fire is too much. Every day. Please, I have to go because this thing is very dangerous here.
Hey, wonders shall never end. A fire has destroyed part of Balogun market on Lagos Island. The incident occurred Thursday morning. However, the cause and magnitude of the fire is yet unknown. Every time this type of thing will happen, they will say they don't know the cause. They don't know the genesis. They don't even know the revolution. They don't even know when it started. And it happens that it starts where they sell shoes dealers, like ladies wears and all that. This is a market that you don't just do it anyhow and just leave it. This market, normally, there should be strong security personnel on ground walking about in the market, because this market is not just a small market, it's a big market, so big. And every day people will be crying, people will be dying, people will be complaining. A lot of people now, millions of people will be homeless because of this. Millions of people will never get food to eat for the next 2 years. Nobody cares. What is all this? When will this situation turn to history in the history of Nigeria? When will people see reasons to live freely? Is it a bad thing that people are living freely? There is no doubt. There are lots of threats before the election when some persons come out and say, if you know you are not voting for Tinubu, you are not voting for APC. You better carry your load and run back to wherever you are coming from. And in reference to the Igbos, not just saying generally, but they are referring to the Igbos. They should carry their load and go back to Southeast. That is the pronouncement. And a lot of people were saying, oh, it's just a mere talk. Yes, that is what they will say. If someone for southeastern part of Nigeria made such statement or such pronouncements, and this type of thing starts happening currently, it's not really going to be easy. You know where you are, and you know what can happen in southeastern part of Nigeria. It's just a no-no area. But the person that makes such statement is working freely, doing everything freely. Nobody talks, nobody cares. Come on, we can do more better. This is not the type of life that these people choose to live. These are individuals fighting for their survival. These are individuals fighting for what to eat, how to put food in the mouth of their children, family, loved ones. These are not politicians. Why can't you take this fight to the doorstep of politicians? And after the election, the governor, the president-elect, they are calling for peace. You are calling for peace at the same time that the peace is not there. We know very well that there are lots of threats. People are saying, go back to where you are from. This is just the strategy to separate the people. There is nothing like Igbo, there is nothing like Yoruba, there is nothing like Igbo want to take over Yoruba markets, or they want to take over Yoruba land. People that you sold this land to, is it free? I have not seen anybody build land, estates in Lagos State, and they said, oh, it was given to me for free. These are estates that cost billions of naira. These are houses that cost billions of naira. Is it free? Is there any day that any Igbo man say, you must give me this building or else it will be a problem? Has any Igbo man forced you to release your property without your consent, without no bargain, without you not signing the papers? Then why all this? A report said the places that the Igbos are keeping their goods, particularly burnt down mostly. So what are we saying? What are we saying? The government should look into this. They should make sure our eyes open. This thing that is happening right now, you know why the governors in Eastern part will not even say much about it? Because their parties are individual. Some are in APC, some are in Labour Party, some are in PDP. They don't even care about what happens there. They don't care. They don't care. They will tell this is politics. They don't want to offend their leader. They don't want to offend their matron. There is godfatherism everywhere. So who are you to cry for right now? Who are you to blame? When you blame the head will tell you, I'm not the one. You have to blame the shoulder. The shoulder will tell you, oh, it's the waist, it's the hand, it's the leg. That is why I said these are individuals. They are not politicians. Why can't you take your fight to the politicians? You know where you people meet. You know your meeting post. These are individuals that are struggling to make a living. That is the painful part of it. The people that struggle to make a living, the people that are not even part of the election, some people did not even cast their vote. Some persons that their properties are burned, they even feel unconcerned during this thing of election. They don't care because they know that is the pattern, that is the way it has been done for a very long time in Nigeria. A lot of people did not care. A lot of people did not even shake, say, oh, being eager that they want to go and cast their vote. No, they did not. But what happened after everything? They are also suffering the penalty today. This is unacceptable. Any agboro that is in charge of this character should desist from it because it's not good. These people, they are just playing music that they know that they can't dance to the tune. They are playing this music just to cause problem, just to cause chaos, just to make sure that, oh, the people will spring up and say, people are doing us this, let's go and carry our own AK. These people say they don't need war. They want to go in peace. Okay, we are staying there in peace also and not free. We paid for the food we eat. Is there any day that the Igbo man buy fuel for 200 naira or 2,000 naira and the Yoruba man is buying his own for 20 naira? No. That is when you will know that this is just a psychological effect on the people, trying to separate you people to make sure you hate yourself individually. But believe me, the politicians, they are not seeing this politics the way a lot of people carry it in Nigeria. The politicians, they are friends to themselves. They just want to use you to gain their right, and they have gained it, and they are not telling you enough. We need peace in Lagos. Enough. We need peace in Nigeria. Come on. Why can you preach what you don't have? You can't give what you did not have. If you need peace, you should be able to render peace. If you are shouting peace, 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 and at the end of the day you do not have the peace, then your shout is useless. Look at the old mothers, look at the young ones trying to look for daily bread. Their market is down, their businesses closed, everything scattered. Come on, do you know how long it's going to take these people again to stand up? That is why I support the idea when they say they are taking this market back to southeastern part of Nigeria, because it is true that there is a place you did something or where you work or where you get your daily income and you are not welcome in that place. It is better you shift. Me, I'm supporting them that they should try to go to southeastern part of Nigeria. Take this market to southeastern part of Nigeria and see your life will not remain the same. That is why I said at the beginning, I said it is good you move this market to southeastern part of Nigeria, but the but there is that I have to tell you the truth, so that tomorrow you will not say I am among people that say the market should move to southeastern part of Nigeria and now the market is there. And remember, sit at home every Monday so that you will not say you are among the people that are saying they should pass the market to southeastern part of Nigeria. Remember that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is still with them. You need to also be asking for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so that every Monday you will be having your market in peace. In fact, peace will return to the land. So I just let me remind you people so that you know that there is another stone somewhere. Thank you so much everyone for joining. Please do well to share this video, like and subscribe as Progress News give you all the updates. For now, bye.